Okay, if you are watching this video, you are on lesson 5, which is debugging with Laurel. So debugging is a skill that you're going to use to fix problems in code. Every once in a while, you'll find out that a program that somebody has written has an error in it or a mistake. So you know the goal of Laurel's treasure hunt down here is that she's supposed to pick up these gems. So when we click run, you see her program says move forward, move forward, move forward. It makes sense initially, but when you watch what happens, when you click run, let's watch Laurel. Whoa. Laurel went pretty fast, but she didn't pick anything up. So I hit reset, and let's look back at the code and figure out what the problem is. So it says move forward. Moving forward seems important. But look at my other block choices. I've got move forward, turn right, turn left, collect, and repeat. I think it might be occurring to you now what could be wrong. She was never told to collect anything. So of course, we're going to insert the collect block right here. And then we're going to put one here because she's moving forward here and collecting, and then she moves forward here and collects, and so on. Now, if you're a really good coder, you'll notice that there's even a pattern forming here, and that we don't need as many blocks as we even have right now. Do you see what the pattern is? And do you see how we could use one of these loops to save us some coding blocks? You think you know it? All right, so really, this could be done without any of those blocks. I'm going to throw them back in the bin, and let's add the repeat loop. And all Laurel needs to do is move forward and collect a bunch of times in a row. So if we were to run this, is it going to work? Oh no, I have to debug my own code. This isn't going to work. You see she didn't move. The reason it didn't work, do you see it? See what's wrong? Right here. You have to tell her how many times to do it. If you see question marks there, or 0, that's not going to work either. If you see question marks, that's not going to allow her to do anything because you haven't told her how many times to do it. So we should put in, what, 3 times? So 3 times, move forward and collect. Let's test that out. Perfect. We got it all. So debugging is a useful skill. Helps you to figure out what went wrong, what you actually wanted to do, and how to fix the problem so that you can get done the thing you want to get done. There might be opportunities to find patterns in some of these too to save some blocks. There, I only used 4 blocks, which was a good savings of blocks and code lines. So different ways to approach it. Next thing that will happen to you when you go to do this kind of puzzle is sometimes kids get a little confused because it doesn't move you on to the next puzzle. If you see the word finish down there, that's what you need to click to move on. We met our goal. We used as few blocks as possible. It's time to click finish and move on. This is debugging with Laurel. Good luck with your debugging. Let's see what you can figure out for each one of these puzzles.